Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix app not supported on Android TV. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you are on the home page of your TV. Then, check your TV version by going to the About section in Settings. Many apps require Android 8 or higher, so confirm compatibility. Make sure it is up to date. If not, then install the latest firmware, because outdated software often causes app compatibility issues. Then, uninstall the app not working, restart your TV from the Restart option in Settings. Then reinstall the application again to fix installation errors or corrupted files. After that, open Settings, go to Applications, select App Store, Clear Cache and Clear Data, then reopen the store and try again. These steps resolve most unsupported app issues on Android TV quickly and effectively, without needing advanced technical support in most cases. So that's basically how to fix app not supported on Android TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.